हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टॉपर्स चॉइस। आज आम पढ़ा 27 अक्टोबर टॉप 15 करेंट अफेयर्स। एक्सप्लेनेशन भी आधे भितर अच्छी। फास्ट क्वेश्चन हूँ एक्सरसाइज सिम्बेक्स इज रिसेंटली कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड व्हिच कंट्री? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज सिंगापुर। सिंगापुर विषय द 31st सिंगापुर इंडिया मैरीटाइम bilateral exercise SIMBEX held at Eastern Naval Command Visakhapatnam from 23rd to 29 October 2024। यही जो एक्सरसाइज होची एक्सरसाइज लायन किंग। एक्सरसाइज लायन किंग। हाँ, पर सेकंड क्वेश्चन होची व्हिच इंस्टीट्यूट hosted the leadership summit 2024? And the answer is option A, that is IIT Guwahati। IIT Guwahati विषय किसी जानिबा। IIT Guwahati Center for Career Development hosted the leadership summit 2024 focused on grooming young talents। Next question, third question. Recently, the European Investment Bank has announced to provide a loan of how many crore rupees to Bengaluru Suburban Railway? Answer is option C, that is 2,800 crore rupees। Next question, fourth question is recently which has become the first port in India to implement green ship initiative under Environment Ship Index ESI? And the answer is option C, that is Mormugao Port। Sixth question is recently Dash and Nvidia have partnered to create AI infrastructure in India. Answer is option C, Reliance। And the next question is 7 number. In which national park has the Asiatic golden cat been seen recently? And the answer is option D, that is Manos National Park। The next question is recently in which ocean has the Indian Navy and the German Navy completed the first maritime partnership exercise, that is MPX? The answer is Indian Ocean, option A। The next question is in which of the following states will International Gita Mahotsav be celebrated? And the answer is option D, that is Haryana। The next question is in which state has the first dry port been inaugurated recently? Answer is option C, that is Bihar। The next question is where has Airbus recently inaugurated its new headquarters and training center? Answer is India, South Asia, option C, both answer। 12 number question where recently has NTPC and the Indian Army plan to supply 24 into 7 electricity using green hydrogen? And the answer is option B, that is Ladakh। The next question is what position has the Indian men's football team reached in the latest FIFA ranking released recently? And the answer is 125। The next question is the dash episode of the program is Man Ki Baat program broadcast by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on All India Radio on October 27, and the answer is 115। The next question is according to the recent decision given by the Supreme Court, who has the power to impose tax on industrial liquor? The answer is option B, that is state government। Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.